But feel your body. Listen your body. If you need, if your body needs intensive, if your body needs intensive course, no, if your body needs intensive treatment of physical and mental exercise, then you need more not one day in week, mental or physical exercise. In that case you need more, always more. In that case, you need three or 4 days for mental and physical exercise. In that case also you must treat yourself. You must treat yourself like king. Be king of your life. Be free like butterfly. Be free like bird. Be God of your life. Do whatever you do with beauty. Whatever you do with joy. That's all. Dragi prijatelji moji, ali osluškuj svoje telo i ako tvoje telo traži još više, za tebe malo jedan dan nedeljno za fizičke i mentalne vežbe. U tom slučaju U tom slučaju ti moraš odvojiti 3-4 dana za fizičke i mentalne vežbe. I u tom slučaju tretiraj sebe kao kralja. Znači, budi kralj svog života, budi bog svog života, budi slobodan kao ptica, budi slobodan kao leptir. To je sve. Rororiuro!